If you want to record the screen on iPhone 17e, all you have to do is, first of all, we need to go to the control center over here. Once you open the control center, you should be able to use this plus button in the upper left corner. And then we're going to go to add a control here at the bottom of the screen. Now, among all of these controls that we have available in here, we can find the screen recording option. So I can just tap over here in order to add it to the control center. I can of course extend its size if I want to, and then just tap anywhere on an empty space in order to exit this editing mode. Now I can press on screen recording. We have a countdown, so I can close it, and we should be able to record quite easily. There we go. We have this indicator on the time that is, well, the red bar. This means that of course we are now recording our screen. If I tap on that time, I have the prompt that allows me to stop recording, so I can do that. I can also go to the control center and stop recording just by tapping on the screen recording button again. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.